Welcome back, everybody. We're camping. Finally, so excited to be out here camping with the family, so come on in. This is my setup today. So we have the Blackstone 10x10 tent. We have the Blackstone Adventure Ready prep cart with all my supplies, minus a few things that I forgot, and the 28-inch griddle. I have the Kodiak cakes and some blueberries. Let's make breakfast. My buddy Steve gave me some Texas hog sausage last year. This is the Mountain Man variety, one of our favorites. And when you forget your cutting board at home, you go in with a cardboard cutting board. I freeze all of my ground wild game in these cute little bags, and it makes it easy to slice. You pull them out, they're semi-frozen, and that's all you do right there. Slice them up and they're ready to throw down the griddle. They show instructions for just a couple of pancakes, so we're going to go in with a whole package. And this is pancake mix here, friends. So we're going to do this to taste. I'm just going to dump in enough water until we get our consistency right. And if you're keeping track at home, it took about 1.5 grease cup liners filled with waters for one of these large Sam's Club size Kodiak cakes. And the kids requested blueberry pancakes today. Put in as many blueberries as you want. Turn that Blackstone 28-inch Adventure Ready up a little bit. I'm going to use some Pam grilling spray for my pancakes today, so we can just use that for the sausage as well. And down with those Texas wild hog sausage patties. And I have those brand new Blackstone Adventure Ready spatulas. Love these things. You can flip them around. Look at this. They're super light. I'm going to press my sausage patties down, make sure we get a good sear before we flip them. And back the temperature down a little bit. And I almost forgot, I brought some vanilla extract. Perfect when you're doing blueberry pancakes. So a little goes a long way. Down with that non-stick cooking spray. I didn't bring a ladle with me, just a serving spoon. So my apologies if these things are not perfectly circular. And in for the flip. Perfect. Oh yeah, look at those. Delicious. Oh yeah, this one's a big one here, but I think we're set up enough we can flip it. Oh yeah. A lot of people give me a hard time about using country crock, but hey, sometimes when you're traveling, when you're up in the woods like this, country crock for the win. The bottoms of these are just about perfect. I do not want a burned pancake, so I'm gonna go ahead and find the largest one, and then we'll just stack these up in order. And we'll put these over here on the side until they finish cooking on the inside. Some more fresh blueberries on top. One of my subscribers from Virginia, your name is escaping me, told me he was going to bring me Virginia pure maple syrup, and he actually came back to Pennsylvania and he brought it with him. I got 2 jugs of maple syrup in Pennsylvania, so stay tuned. I got another one coming for you.
Yummy.
So there you go, a blueberry pancake and Texas wild hog sausage here with my family in the Rocky Mountains. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification. Please leave me a comment down below. Make sure you're watching all my friends' videos. Chef Nate, Desiree, that's Blackstone Betty, CJ, and of course, Destination Delicious. BlackstoneProducts.com is your source for everything Blackstone. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the breakfast.